Hi, this is Miguel Tabuena. Welcome to Golf Driven, presented by Lexus, where we discover anything and everything about golf. This is how I hit my driver. So it's very important to have a good solid base with your stance, meaning my feet are slightly wider than my shoulder width. I like to have the ball towards my left foot, have my head and spine slightly behind the ball. Maybe the height of the tee, maybe half of the ball is above the club head. And yeah, this is how it should look. Yeah guys, so let me talk to you about some swing thoughts I have with my driver. So like I said a while ago, have a good solid base, feet slightly wider than shoulder width, and then on my backswing, I would like to feel that I'm wide, not necessarily reaching back, but being wide throughout my backswing to get that full body turn. And then on the way down, I would like to feel that my downswing starts with a bit of a step on my left foot, creating ground force with my left foot. So backswing, remain wide, step with my left foot, and then before impact, I would like to have my spine and my head behind the ball to create that upward swing. And at the end of the swing, I've been doing this trick for as long as I can remember. At the end of my swing, I would like to have my right shoulder face the target, to make sure I complete my swing. So it should look something like this. So what we're going to talk about now is the draw, which comes very natural to me. So when you're trying to shape the shot from right to left, it's very important to actually visualize that trace of the ball, which you see on TV. So what I see here is the ball starting just left of this red flag and then finishing at that yellow stick in the distance. So I aim my body to where I want the ball to start, and I try not to do anything special with my swing, because like I said, the draw is a very natural shot for me. So I aim at where I want the ball to start and keep the same fundamentals as what we talked about in the start. So be wide, have a good solid base, and finish your swing with pointing that right shoulder to the target. So aim just left of this red flag and finish at that yellow stick. Yeah, so now we're going to talk about the fade. Same process. You start by visualizing that trace from that starting point of the ball and where you want the ball to finish. So what I see here is I would like to start the ball left edge of this bunker right here and then finish at the target, which is that yellow stick in the distance. So I aim my body at this left edge of the bunker. I actually tee up the ball a bit lower, and yeah, so I land my body at the left edge of this bunker, And I try not to do anything different with my swing. Same swing thoughts, remain wide and complete that turn and finish with that right shoulder pointing at the target. Thank you for watching this episode of Golf Driven presented by Lexus. To learn more about the Golf Driven video series, please like, follow, and subscribe to the Lexus Philippines social media pages.